So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So, in this project video series, we are going to learn and create a new project called as the Student Registry application. So, in this application, we are going to create two more activity, which is known as the home screen, and second one is the for the registry screen. We are going to implement all the current operation in this application. So, let's get started. So, let's see how we can do it. So, first of all, you have to move to the files, click on new, and click on new project. So, once you click on it, we have to just move to the empty view activity, just select it and click on next. Once you click on next, you are getting the name option, name form data here, so you can just write the name student registry. So then after, you have to select the package name according to our company name, or according to our college name, or according to your convenient. You can place the package name according to this. So then after, you have to save your Android Studio project, which is known as the student registry and Android Studio project. So then after, we have to select your language according to your convenient. In my case, I have selected the Kotlin language here. And then the minimum SDK will be the API level 24 and the Android 7.0. So in my every project, I have discussed how to select the minimum SDK version. So you have to go through it for the greater knowledge. So in this, we have to select the Kotlin DSL for the configuration and just click on the finish. Once you click on the finish, you are able to generate these files here. Okay. So this is the manifest file, this is the kotlin.java file. We have a one activity called as the main activity. So this is the basically package, and this is the basically activity which we are creating. So now what we have to do, we have to use two type of dependency here. First dependency is the KSP, which is Kotlin symbol processing, and the second one is for the room database. So let's get started, like how we can install the dependencies here. So first of all, you have to move to the project level, and you are just using this dependency, which is latest version of the KSP. So let's uncomment it and just click on the sync now. Once the syncing process is going on, you can see once you click on the build file. Okay, so build is successful, and then after, you have to just move to the app level of the build.gradle.ktx. Here you have to just enable this com.google.dev2.ksp. So once it generated, you have to click on sync now. So each the library are depending on the each other, so we have to just click on the sync now synchronously according to our need. So we have to be careful about the version name, because it can provide a lot of errors according to the system variant. And once it is completed, you have to just uncomment this line, and you are using this the room dependency and the KSP dependency. So just unlock it and just click on the sync now. Once you have to do the sync now, you have to your Gradle will be finished successfully, you can see. Okay, here is some warning. This can be a trouble in the further things, so we are going to fix it. So that's all for this video. That's how we can set the room libraries and the our project. So thank you for being with us.